Let's do makeup and talk about marketing. I'm actually gonna need this. This year, I promised myself I will be making more talking videos. And honestly, of all the things in the world, marketing is the one I can talk about non-stop. So here I am talking to the camera for about 10-15 minutes while getting ready for the day. I really want to talk about the creative world specifically because I have been a marketing manager for 6 years now, and 5 of those have been in the creative industries. I keep seeing the same marketing mistakes over and over again. Let's just talk about them today. One of the biggest ones is actually this obsession with the visuals only. And don't get me wrong, in the creative industry, visuals are everything. But here's the problem. A beautiful feed without a clear message doesn't convert. People can admire your works, and even share to their friends, but never contact you. It's usually because they don't fully understand why choose you instead of all the other studios that also have very beautiful portfolios. Marketing is not just showing what you did, or it's explaining what problems you solve and what you can do especially for those targets. Another thing I see all the time is the lack of positioning. The positioning is maybe one of the most fundamental points. When the studio says we work with everyone, it feels safe to say. It also feels unclear for the target. And clients usually want to feel like this studio gets me, it gets my pain points, and it knows how to solve them. And that only happens when you are clear about who you really are and what you actually serve best. Because people choose specialists, not we can do everything studios. By the way, best highlighter ever, Fenty Beauty. Another problem I see all the time, that's the inconsistency. Posting randomly whenever you feel inspired isn't a real strategy. Being super active for, let's say, a week or two, and then disappearing for months, also not a strategy. When people see you regularly, this means they memorize you, and when they memorize you and remember you, they trust you. Whenever they need a new service that you are giving, they're gonna remember you, because there's a thing in marketing called top of mind, which requires a lot of effort. You don't really need to post every single day, and you definitely don't need to dance for TikTok or do random trends every time, but you need some rhythm and structure. And maybe for your brand, it will be, I don't know, posting twice a week, maybe posting 3 times a day, maybe posting twice a month is your thing. So if you are a part of this creative world and this sounds a little too familiar, maybe this will be your sign to rethink your approach. Actually, I'm ready to go, also a little late as always. And if you want more honest marketing talks while I do my makeup and get ready, just engage, because there's going to be more, and I'm ready to go. Bye!